Kia ora PCS whānau, welcome back to term 2, here we are. I hope you're safe and I hope you're happy and I hope you're healthy. I hope you're staying inside your bubble. It's really important to keep doing that. I'm safe and sound in my bubble at home here, and I know that lots of you can't wait for the lockdown to end so we can go back outside, so we can go back to school, so we can go back to the shop, so we can go out to eat, so we can go get a haircut at the barbers. Man, I'm getting a little bit scruffy here, but we're staying home because it's the best thing to do. Remember, our school values are absolutely fantastic at school, at home, wherever you are. So don't forget to keep being polite, considerate and sensible, because those values are really important at this time. The whole country is going through quite a tough time at the moment, but it's really important that we do 3 things: persevere, challenge, succeed. And if we keep living our school values, if you keep doing the right things, then we will succeed and we'll get over this whole pandemic and we'll be back at school. You probably can't wait to get back to school. I'm the same. I really want to be at school as well. I know that your teachers really want to be at school so they can see you again as well. Mr Holt's challenge time. I've got 2 for you this time, okay? 2 challenges that you can do while we're in this lockdown. Challenge number 1, I want you to learn a new skill. Now, it would be great if the skill was a practical skill. That means that it was hands-on, we can see it. Challenge number 2, I want you to make someone smile every single day. Make them smile, make them happy, make them laugh, make them feel really positive and warm and fluffy inside, okay? And you can do that however you want. If you complete either of those challenges, I want you to send me a photo or a video of you completing those challenges through to this email here, office@pcs.school.nz. You do send those photos or videos through, make sure you put Mr Holt's challenge in the email subject. Of course, stay safe, be kind, and stay healthy as well, guys. See you back at school as soon as the lockdown's lifted, and I cannot wait to get back into that school to see your little faces again. But for now, see you later.